So it's
ADABOX
time.
Miss. ADABOX
It is
Miss.
ADABOX Miss. We have this song in the beginning. We're going to play it again at the end of the show. But this is a reminder. So if you go to adabox.com, because how many days are left? We are running out of ADABOXes.
10.
It's probably 10. And if you want to get an ADABOX, or the easiest thing to do I'm not saying it's a competition who can give the best gift each year, but it's often turning into
But here's the thing: the gift they're gonna get it every quarter. It's 4 times a year.
So it's like you're 4 times better.
And people are like, why don't you do it every month? And the reason is, y'all, there's too many projects for you to finish it. Like, it's 3 months worth of projects in each box.
So one person said, I have to make sure I set time up because it's every 3 months, and I usually have time to do like a project every 3 months. So that works out really well for them. So this is your chance. ADABOX.com. You should do it. And listen to the song. Beginning to look like Xbox Mouse. And we'll play that at the end as well. But you got to do it. Got to do it. Because we will run out, and we can't do anything about it once we run out. There's no extras.
We're out.
So, okay.